The most common issue with your Audi A3 8L key fob is a depleted CR232 battery. Open the fob and replace it, making sure the positive side faces up. If voltage drops below 2.8 volts, the fob won't respond. After replacing the battery, resynchronize the fob with a Relearn procedure. Cycle the ignition key and press the lock and unlock buttons in the correct sequence. If the Relearn procedure doesn't work, the central locking module, or CLM, could be the problem. Inspect for faults such as corrosion or wiring issues. For deeper diagnostics, use updated VCDS software to identify any firmware glitches in the CLM. Always start with the simplest solutions first. If basic fixes don't work, check for corroded contacts in the fob or central locking module. This is especially common in humid climates and can be cleaned carefully to restore function. If corrosion is severe, consider aftermarket central locking module replacements. These often include Bluetooth adapters for convenient smartphone control of your vehicle. Check for electromagnetic interference that might disrupt the key fob signal. Sources like power lines or electronic devices can cause issues and may require relocating the antenna or adding shielding. For environmental sustainability, recycle old key fobs for reusable parts instead of discarding them. This helps reduce electronic waste while providing components for repairs. For more precise diagnostics, use VCDS software to scan and identify issues in the central locking module. This professional tool provides detailed error codes and solutions. While DIY solutions are strong in the community, if issues persist, consult a professional mechanic to prevent additional damage to your vehicle's electrical system.